welcome back to Science. It is Friday, May 1st, 2020. And so I hope you have enjoyed learning about the day and the night sky. Today, you will just watch a story named Star, Star, Stars. So you'll start right here. You'll watch the story, Stars, Stars, Stars. Then you'll click on Read the Book, and it'll open up the Looking Through a Telescope book. Then under Puzzlers, you can do a word match. So if you just click on word match, it opens up and you can do a fun activity that's linked to the story in the books. Then you can click on Fact or Fiction. That's just another fun activity to do with this story and with this book here. This Dive Deeper is just where you could go in, you could click these. It would take you into other websites to learn more about stars in the night sky. That's completely up to you and your parents if you want to do this last part here. But again, you'll start here, watch the story, read the book, do the puzzlers, and then last, go outside tonight and observe the night sky. What do you see? If you can't do it tonight, maybe you can do it Saturday night. Maybe you can do it Sunday night. Just whatever mom and dad have time to take you outside so that you can have some fun looking out at the night sky and see, maybe you'll see some stars and some fun things. Hope you have a great rest of your Friday and an awesome weekend, and we will be talking soon. Goodbye.